Maize cultivation, improved management, health qualities, and international demand. Part 2. Maize is not only a staple food grain, it is currently a versatile crop used in various sectors including industry, health, and animal feed. The first part discussed the basic aspects of maize cultivation. This time, the second part will discuss improved cultivation management, nutritional value, and its demand and commercial importance in Europe and America. Improved maize cultivation management. The use of modern methods and technology is very important to increase production in maize cultivation. Ensuring improved management at every stage from cultivation to harvest increases yield and reduces disease and insect infestation. 1. Selection of improved varieties. It is important to select high-yielding varieties that are suitable for specific climates. For example, hybrid varieties, sweet corn, waxy or white corn varieties. 2. Fertilizer management. Maize is a crop with high nutritional requirements. Applying urea, TSP, MOP, and gypsum at appropriate rates per hectare increases productivity. Organic fertilizers such as compost and vermicompost maintain soil fertility. 3. Water and weed control. Water is very important in maize cultivation. Irrigation is required to maintain moisture in the soil, especially during the tillering period. Regular weeding, mulching, or light harrowing is necessary to control weeds. 4. Disease and insect management. Diseases and insects such as spider mites, corn rot, stem borer, etc. can occur. The crop can be protected by using biopesticides or safe pesticides. 5. Harvesting and storage. When the tillers are mature and the lower leaves of the plant are dry, it is time to harvest the crop. After harvesting, maize should be stored in a dry and ventilated place, so that rot and fungal infections do not occur. Health benefits and nutritional values. Corn is a complete food ingredient that is a source of natural energy. It contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. It occupies an important position in the vegetarian diet worldwide. 1. Source of energy. Corn is high in carbohydrates, which provide instant energy for the body. 2. Heart disease prevention. Corn fiber and antioxidants reduce bad cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Eye health. Zeaxanthin and lutein in corn protect the retina of the eye and help prevent age-related eye problems. 4. Diabetes control. The low GI index in coarse-grained corn keeps blood sugar levels under control. 5. Helps in bowel cleansing and digestion. The dietary fiber in corn keeps the intestines clean and increases digestion. Demand and use of corn in Europe and America. Corn is one of the most important agricultural products in Europe and America. Its uses as food, animal feed, fuel, and industrial material are manifold. 1. Used as food product. Cornflakes, cornstarch, popcorn, cornmeal, corn syrup, corn oil, and snacks are made from corn. The demand for sweet corn as part of a healthy and organic diet is increasing day by day. 2. Demand as animal feed. Corn is one of the main ingredients in the diet of cattle and poultry. It meets the protein and energy needs and increases weight quickly. 3. Use in biofuel production. Ethanol is produced from expired or low-quality corn, which is used as an environmentally friendly fuel. The importance of corn in the use of biofuel in developed countries is increasing day by day. 4. In the industrial and cosmetic sector, cornstarch, corn syrup, and other ingredients are used in the cosmetics, clothing, packaging, paper, and pharmaceutical industries. Export potential and economic importance. It is possible to earn foreign exchange by exporting improved varieties and safely produced maize internationally. Processed products such as cornflakes, corn flour, corn syrup, etc. can be packaged and sent abroad, which can ensure additional income for producers and farmers. By increasing processing and logistics facilities, maize can be established as a global market-based agricultural product. It is possible to achieve international standards by following improved packaging, preservation, and gap-based production methods. Conclusion: maize is a versatile crop that is not only food, but also directly related to nutrition, economy, and industry. By applying improved farming methods and technology, it can be transformed into a profitable crop for farmers. In addition, its growing demand in the European and American markets is establishing it as an international quality product. Maize cultivation with proper management can make a significant contribution to future agricultural development.